This part will be warm, conversational, and relatable, designed to deeply engage seniors and guide them gently into the topic. We'll keep it emotionally supportive, naturally paced, and immersive. Have you ever found yourself staring at the ceiling at 2 in the morning, wondering why your body feels so tired, yet your mind refuses to rest? You close your eyes, change sides, fluff the pillow, even count sheep, but sleep just doesn't come. And when it does, it's so light that even the faintest sound wakes you again. By morning, it feels like you haven't rested at all. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. After 60, many seniors quietly battle restless nights. It's one of those challenges people rarely talk about, but deeply feel. You wake up groggy, your energy dips through the day, and sometimes you even find yourself dozing off during moments when you'd rather be enjoying life. It's frustrating, isn't it? Sleep isn't just about rest anymore. It's about keeping your memory sharp, your heart healthy, and your mood steady. And yet so many seniors end up caught in this exhausting cycle of sleepless nights and tired mornings. If you've tried pills, melatonin, or herbal teas but still wake up tossing and turning, maybe it's time to look at something different, something simple, natural, and time-tested. Believe it or not, the answer might just be sitting quietly in your kitchen right now. Mung beans. Yes, those tiny green legumes your grandmother might have cooked in soups or stews hold something surprising inside, a natural, gentle power to calm your nervous system and help you slip into a deep, peaceful sleep. It sounds almost too simple, doesn't it? But here's the thing, sometimes the solutions our bodies need the most aren't complicated. They're grounded in nature, an old wisdom that modern science is finally beginning to understand. Mung beans are packed with magnesium, an essential mineral many seniors are quietly deficient in. Magnesium acts almost like nature's relaxant. It calms your muscles, lowers tension, and helps balance the signals between your brain and body. When your magnesium levels are steady, your nervous system finally has a chance to breathe, and your body can drift naturally into deeper rest. But that's not all. Mung beans are also rich in tryptophan, an amino acid your body uses to create serotonin, the happy chemical that helps you feel calm, and melatonin, the natural hormone that tells your body it's time to sleep. That means when you prepare mung beans the right way, you're not just eating, you're helping your body create the very substances it needs to rest. Imagine this: instead of reaching for another pill, you warm a small bowl of soothing mung bean milk before bed. It's creamy, lightly sweet if you prefer, and nourishing in a way that makes your body feel cared for. Within a few nights, many seniors notice something remarkable. They fall asleep faster, they stay asleep longer, and they wake up with a kind of clarity and freshness they haven't felt in years. And the best part, it's gentle. There's no grogginess in the morning, no strange side effects, no heavy fog clouding your thoughts. It's simply your body doing what it's designed to do, with a little natural support. Of course, how you use mung beans makes all the difference. There's more than one way to prepare them, but a few simple methods stand out, not just for their ease, but for how powerfully they work with your body's rhythms. In a moment, I'll walk you through a calming, senior-friendly recipe that's been passed down for generations. It's soothing, it's simple, and many people swear by its ability to quiet the mind and invite sleep. But before that, I want you to pause and really think about this. When was the last time you woke up feeling truly rested, without needing coffee or tea to pull you through the morning? That feeling of waking up clear-headed and light, that's what we're working toward here. It's not about chasing sleep with stronger pills or tricking your body into shutting down. It's about gently guiding your system back to balance so sleep comes naturally, the way it used to. And here's the beautiful thing, even if you've struggled for years, it's not too late. Your body is still capable of deep restorative rest. You just have to give it the right tools, the right signals. And sometimes those tools come in the simplest forms, like a small green bean that's been helping people sleep for centuries. So let's take this one step at a time. Let's start by preparing your body for rest from the inside out, in a way that feels natural, safe, and nourishing. Now, picture this. Close your eyes for a moment, and imagine this. It's late evening, the sun has slipped behind the horizon, and the quiet of the night begins to settle around you. You're in your kitchen, the soft hum of the kettle in the background, the familiar warmth of home wrapping gently around your shoulders. Tonight, instead of reaching for sleeping pills or scrolling endlessly on your phone, you're preparing something that has been soothing restless bodies for centuries, a simple, comforting bowl of mung bean milk. Now, here's the beautiful part. This isn't complicated, it isn't time-consuming, and you don't need fancy ingredients. All you need are a few tablespoons of mung beans, a little water, and if you like, a touch of natural sweetness, maybe honey or jaggery. The process is calming in itself. You soak the beans for a few hours, cook them until soft, blend them into a silky smooth paste, and warm the mixture into a gentle milk. The aroma alone feels nurturing, like something your grandmother might have made when you were a child. As you sip it slowly, the warmth travels down into your chest, your stomach relaxes, and your body begins receiving a quiet message. It's time to rest now. But why does this work so well, especially for seniors? It's because at this stage of life, your body craves balance. After 60, your internal systems, especially your hormones and nervous system, can become more sensitive to stress, irregular meal times, and even subtle changes in diet. Mung beans are light yet deeply nourishing. They stabilize blood sugar, calm your digestive system, and most importantly, give your body the raw materials to produce natural sleep hormones. Here's something most people don't know: as we age, our natural melatonin levels decline. That's one of the reasons falling asleep becomes harder. Mung beans help here by feeding your body tryptophan, which gently encourages melatonin production. And when your body naturally produces melatonin, you don't just fall asleep faster, you sink into the kind of deep healing rest that leaves you waking up with more energy, clearer thoughts, and even better mood. And it's not just the mung beans themselves, it's the little rituals around them. The act of slowing down, preparing something warm and nourishing, and telling your body, "We're winding down now." Seniors often underestimate how much these small bedtime cues matter. You see, our bodies respond beautifully to patterns. When you prepare mung bean milk every night, sip it slowly, and avoid harsh lights or screens, you're training your system to recognize the signals of rest. I want you to picture this. It's been a week since you started this little ritual. One evening you notice something surprising. You're yawning earlier, your shoulders feel lighter, and when you finally lay your head on the pillow, you're asleep within minutes. You wake up in the middle of the night, expecting the usual tossing and turning, but this time, nothing. You're still, your mind is quiet, and morning arrives before you even realize it. And this doesn't require turning your life upside down. You don't need strict diets, expensive supplements, or medical prescriptions to rediscover deep rest. What you need is consistency, gentleness, and the right natural support. Now, I know what you might be thinking. What if I don't like mung beans? What if I've never cooked them before? That's okay. There are other simple ways to incorporate them without changing your meals entirely. You can make a thin mung bean soup with just a hint of seasoning, nothing heavy, just something light and soothing before bed. Or you can sprout them and add a small handful into your evening salad, allowing your body to absorb their minerals slowly. And here's something even better. Mung beans don't just help you sleep, they can also ease some of the hidden issues that make restful nights harder as we age. For example, if you often feel bloated after dinner, mung beans are known to support digestion and reduce inflammation. Less discomfort at night means less tossing and turning. It's all connected, isn't it? When your digestion is calm, your mind settles. When your blood sugar is stable, your nervous system relaxes. When your hormones are gently supported, your sleep becomes deeper and more refreshing. This isn't about a single magic food. It's about creating harmony in your body, one small mindful step at a time. So tonight, instead of lying awake, frustrated and staring at the ceiling, imagine giving yourself the gift of this soothing ritual. Picture yourself warming that cup of mung bean milk, sipping it slowly, feeling your body ease into calmness. You're not forcing sleep anymore. You're inviting it, like an old friend returning after a long absence. And that's the key. Sleep isn't something you can chase. It comes when your body feels safe, supported, and nourished. And these little green beans, humble as they are, can help create exactly that environment. Now, in a moment, I'm going to share an even more powerful way to combine mung beans with another natural ingredient that can make this process work even faster. helping your body relax on a deeper level. It's a technique many seniors have used for generations, and when you add it to your nightly routine, it can transform your rest in ways you might not believe possible. Now, as promised, let me share a simple yet incredibly effective combination that has helped many seniors experience deep restorative sleep in just a few nights. It's mung beans plus lotus seeds. Lotus seeds, sometimes called macana or foxnuts, have been used for centuries in traditional wellness practices. They're naturally calming and rich in compounds that soothe the nervous system. When combined with the magnesium and tryptophan from mung beans, they create a natural synergy that helps your body transition smoothly into deep sleep cycles. Here's a gentle senior-friendly recipe: lotus seed and mung bean soup for sleep. Soak 2 tablespoons mung beans and 1 tablespoon lotus seeds for 2–3 hours. Cook them together with 1 cup water until they're soft and creamy. Add a small pinch of nutmeg or cardamom, both known for their calming effects. If you'd like a touch of sweetness, a teaspoon of honey after cooling works beautifully. Sip this slowly about 30 minutes before bed. Within a week, many seniors report that their minds quiet down, tossing and turning reduces, and waking up refreshed feels effortless again. Gentle nighttime rituals that amplify results. While mung beans are powerful on their own, you can multiply their effects by pairing them with these bedtime habits. Dim the lights 45 minutes before bed. Soft lighting signals your brain to start producing melatonin. Avoid heavy dinners. Seniors often sleep better when they eat lighter in the evening. Try 5 minutes of deep breathing. Inhale slowly for 4 counts. Exhale for 6 counts. It relaxes the heart and mind. Keep your bedroom cool and quiet. A comfortable environment naturally supports deep rest. Remember, it's not just about food. It's about creating an entire nighttime rhythm that your body can rely on. An emotional connection. I want you to picture something with me. It's late, and you're sitting by your bedroom window. Outside, the stars are scattered across the sky. The air is cool, and everything feels still. You sip the last warm spoonful of your mung bean and lotus seed soup. Place the bowl on your nightstand, and turn off the lights. You climb into bed, not anxious, not restless, just ready. For the first time in what feels like forever, your eyelids grow heavy within minutes. There's no tossing, no racing thoughts, no counting the hours until morning. And when you finally wake up, the sunlight slipping gently into your room, you notice something new. Your body feels lighter, your mind feels clearer, and your heart feels calmer. That's the gift of these simple natural remedies. Closing with care before we end, I want you to remember something: you deserve deep, nourishing rest. Aging doesn't mean accepting sleepless nights. Your body still knows how to rest, recover, and heal. You just need to give it the right support. If this video has helped you, or if you know a friend, sibling, or neighbor who struggles with sleep, please share it with them. A single small tip could change their nights and their life. And if you'd like to discover more natural senior wellness solutions, make sure to subscribe to Senior Wellness Brief and tap the bell so you never miss our weekly tips. Together, we're building a community where senior health feels simple, natural, and empowering. Because here we believe something important: every senior deserves a good night's sleep. Take care of yourself, be gentle with your body, and I'll see you in the next video.